Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So into this video I have compiled beautiful braided wigs, beaded wigs, ponytail wigs, whatever color of wigs you want. I have all wrapped up in this video. Yes, I have a lot of cornrow wigs, braided cornrow wigs, like something they call Ghana weaving in West Africa. Yes, like this one you're seeing is braided cornrow ponytail wigs, and you can see the model, how she was able to put it on and how she was able to style it, and it looks so perfect on her. And this is another cornrow braided wigs, but this one is not the ponytail type. So there are different ways you can braid your wig. The jumbo braids, yes, most ladies feels like, okay, how are you going to make jumbo braids on wigs? Won't it fall out? Is it going to hold well? Girl, it's going to hold well. It all depends on the wig cap you're using and the wig texture, the texture of the hair you're using to braid the jumbo braids. Because if it's like a type 1 hair kind of wig texture, so when you braid it, so the hair may kind of like slip off. But if you use like a more of a natural kinky wigs to braid the jumbo braid, so it may not slip off when it stays like for 2-3 months. Like, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Let me put it this way: it's more like when you are braiding a type 1 hair, type 1 hair texture, so definitely you know it's not going to stay. So with time, maybe like within 5-6 hours, you find out that the wigs are pulling off. But if it's a hair from type 3 upward, type 3A to type 4, so when you braid the type 3A hair, it's kind of like holds firm compared to when you're braiding type 1 hair. So that's what I'm trying to explain in this scenario. Yes guys, so guys, there are a lot of beautiful wigs here that you would definitely like. Different stylish way to like rock your wigs. Yes, there are different ways you can rock your wig, so it's not limited. Unlike before, people feel like wig is all about weave-ons, straight hair. No, you can rock your braids on your wig. Like personally, I don't like braiding on my hair directly. I like wearing wigs. Wigs is more comfortable. I feel more relaxed wearing wigs, so that when I feel like I'm having a headache, I can just like pull off the wig and throw it by the side. Unlike when you braid your hair, you know how much you're going to spend to braid your hair, and the next thing, maybe you feel like you have a serious migraine, and imagine you pulling off those hair down, putting them down, and when you think of the money you spent, it's going to be like crazy. So that is why I am a lover of wigs. I love wigs more than anything. It's more convenient for me, more comfortable for me, and above all, very, very affordable. Yes guys, so if you know you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, because sharing my videos shows you care about my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.